If you want to check your saved contacts in Gmail, it's actually very simple. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. This can be Chrome, Safari, or any browser you like. Go to google.com and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Now, tap your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. From here, scroll down and tap on People and Sharing. Under this section, you'll see Contacts. Tap on it, and this will open your Google Contacts page. If you don't see it right away, you can also go directly to contacts.google.com. Here, you'll see all of your saved Gmail contacts. Tap the three lines in the top left to see more options. You can check Other Contacts, which are people you've emailed but never manually saved. You can also view Frequent Contacts and Trash if you've deleted any recently. Now, to make sure these contacts appear on your phone, open your phone settings. Go to Accounts, select your Google account, tap Sync, and make sure Contacts is turned on. Once that's enabled, all your Gmail contacts will show up in your phone's Contacts app automatically. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.